So hello guys, in this video we are gonna learn the uses of could. All the uses of could. Okay. All the uses of could means how to use could be, could have, and could have been. Okay, in a sentence. So l- could means सक्का in Hindi, or you can say सकता था anything. Okay, for example, let's take an example like मैं वहाँ जा सकता था, या फिर मैं वहाँ जा सकता था. So in English we will say I could go there. तुम आ सकते थे, तुम आ सकते थे. You could come. तुम मुझे बता सकते थे. You could tell me. You could tell me. But तुमने बताया नहीं. But you didn't. Now this is very interesting to understand कि like why did we use did not here. Okay, because the sentence is already in past, so you cannot say don't. You cannot use don't, the present form, because the sentence is already in the past form. That is why I used did not. Okay, and the next use is could be. So the meaning of could be in Hindi is हो सकता था, हो सकता था, या फिर किया जा सकता था, किया जा सकता था, किया जा सकता था, किया जा सकता था. सो नाउ बी मीन्स होना. बी का हिंदी मीनिंग है होना. कुड मतलब सकता, सकना. तो हो सकता था, किया जा सकता था. दिस इज द हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ कुड बी. ओके, लेट्स मेक सम सेंटेंसेस बाय यूजिंग कुड बी. ओके, सो आप डॉक्टर हो सकते थे, या और आई कैन से आप डॉक्टर बन सकते थे. यू कुड बी अ डॉक्टर. यू कुड बी अ डॉक्टर इफ़ यू, चलो इसको बड़ा नहीं करते हैं. यू कुड बी अ डॉक्टर विच मीन्स आप डॉक्टर बन सकते थे. आप लाइक आई कैन से आप आप एक लाइक मैं इंजीनियर हो सकता था. आई कुड बी. इंस्टेड ऑफ बी आई कैन ऑल्सो यूज बिकम. ओके, आई कुड बिकम एन इंजीनियर. द नेक्स्ट यूज इज कुड हैव. कुड हैव, द हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ कुड हैव इज कर सकता था और किया जा सकता था. ओके, like let's write some examples. तुम मेरे साथ आ सकते थे. नहीं, आई कैन ऑल्सो मेक दिस सेंटेंस इन कुड विद द कुड. आप मुझे बता सकते थे. यू कुड हैव टोल्ड मी. और आई कैन ऑल्सो राइट दिस सेंटेंस लाइक यू कुड टेल मी. So this is actually the basic form is the in the past, which has already done, or it is the recent past. So this is the basically the difference. And the next use is could have been, which is the passive form of could have. Like I can say could have been. Okay, let's make a sentence in could have and change it into could have been. because could have been is also a passive form of could have. So let's make some sentences. Like I can say, I could have done it. I could have done it. I could have done it. So let's make the passive form of the sentence. I would write it could have been done by me. So this is how you use the could have been in a sentence. This is basically the passive form of could have. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you found something useful, then please like the video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.